Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Today we've got a short unboxing from our friends at White Mountain Knives, a couple of things I ordered late last week. First thing I want to do is thank all the channel members. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you more and more each day. I appreciate you more than you know. And then I'd just like to invite anybody who might be coming by who hadn't had a chance yet to please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon next to it. It would really help me and the channel out. The unboxing knife today is going to be our little Amazon flipper razor blade knife. I'm really kind of enjoying this. Let's just cut into the bag because I think we'll have a box inside of our bag. And we do. All right. All right, guys. So we got a couple things in here. We got that. And we got this O-light. Let's open the O-light first because this is the arc filled. Forgot these had little pull tabs. You guys know I've kind of fallen down the rabbit hole of different flashlights. This one, when it first came out, got my attention. Ooh, it's aluminum. So you can switch it. Oh, it needs to be charged. So it's got a light, and this one's got a UV light. Let me take a look at something real quick. There's our charger. Our instructions. 4-grain. Yeah, I've just got a red indicator, guys. Let's see if I need to unlock it. Hold on. Press 1 second. Let's see if it happens to be locked. I think it's... All right, so we got 3 bars. So it was charged a little bit. Let's do this. Put this back in here. Put this back in here. All right. So, as you can see, it's off now. Push it once, because I've got it turned to the UV light. It gives me a UV light. So if I want to look at money or if I want to look at yuck, I can look at yuck. Then if I switch it over to light, I've got moonlight, low, medium, high, low, off. So that is 1,000 lumens right there. And then if I switch it over, it goes to my UV light. So instead of having the laser beam, it has got the UV light, and then it's got the regular light. So I'll play with this. This is just an unboxing. I like the clip. I like the form factor. I'll get it good and charged up. Check it out. I think those are the 2 different switchings. You can go from UV light to main light and then just activate it. So we will get this charging and we will get into our next bag. Let's take this. Plug this in. And let's stick this, whoops, Stick that on the back. And let's look at what's next. All right, guys, this is a mid-guard messer. This is something that is kind of outside of my normal wheelhouse, but it was on sale, and I thought it was really cool looking. Mid-guard messer and a little pouch. So guys, the only negative I read about this was the belt sheath. So it's got a fixed belt sheath unless I want to send this off to Lancelot Leather. Let's see how this thing comes out. It's got good retention, unless I'm doing something wrong. It's kind of like a rubber sheath, and that jimping seems to really be holding it in there. Hold on, guys. Well, this is anticlimactic. There it goes. It's got tight retention. But this is a little S30V, small fixed blade. Let's see if it's sharp. Made by Midgard Messer. So overbuilt in that it's a Midgard Messer. You got a pry bar here on the tip. And a very thick, sharp blade. More of a poking, stabbing tip than it would be, I would think, a utility blade or a slicer. But guys, I think this is pretty cool. It is, again, S30V. It is stonewashed, tumbled. It's got this nice G10 handle. We'll have to figure out how this sheath works best so we can get it in and out of it, because it does lock in there. But that is the other part of the order, guys. It is the Midgard Messer. I forget the model number. I'll put it in the link. Y'all remember, I've got a 10% off code at White Mountain Knives. All you use is Javon10. Save you 10% off your order. And this knife is still in stock. It might have a different colored handle, but I'll link it if any of you guys are interested. And again, it's just a big, crude, overbuilt little Tonto fixed blade. Little 4-finger grip, nice choil. Just a great little knife. Feel like it's going to be a hacker. I'll enjoy kind of messing around with this. But guys, that is what we've got today. Our Olight and our Midgard Messer. So guys, I appreciate you stopping by. I appreciate you checking out the content. I always do. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks, channel members. Thanks, any of you who watched. All I ask is you please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for one another. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.